So, you like my new intro? It was created using a new tool called ClipChamp. This voice was created by ClipChamp. Cool, huh? Storytelling is as old as humanity. It defines us, it binds us together, it allows us to share knowledge, it enables us to educate our young, and it's uplifting when needed. In September 2021, Microsoft acquired ClipChamp. As at the time of making this video, i.e. August 2022, almost 1 year after that acquisition, Microsoft is still to release their version of ClipChamp into Office 365. Microsoft is, no doubt, building and modifying the ClipChamp engines, or, even, entirely rebuilding the software so that it fits seamlessly into Office 365 and the Power Platform. Is Microsoft building cool new ClipChamp Actions for Power Automate? I hope so. As someone who makes videos, myself, I discovered ClipChamp.com had a video editor and also offers, within that editor, a text-to-speech AI functionality. So, I thought I would try it out for the first time. You are, now, listening to the result. What do you think? On the ClipChamp website you can see there is an option to try for free. So, let's do that. I choose to log in using my personal Microsoft account. So, once logged in, you are taken through a brief wizard. In ClipChamp we have templates available. You can also start with a recording of your own. Here I am going to download and install the desktop app version of ClipChamp. The browser page for the Windows Store opens. Once installed, you click Open. So, now, I am going to create a new video. Here we are in the editor. See, here we have got record and create. We've got templates and we can add our own media here. We just click and drag, bring them into the editor. So, let's have a look at the record and create option. So, what is interesting here is that we have a text-to-speech functionality. So clicking this, we enter our text into the dialog box that opens. So, let's enter some text and hear how it sounds. And then, we press preview.
This is some text that was typed, not recorded. What do you think?
I hate typos.
This is some text that was typed, not recorded. What do you think of my voice? Good, huh?
Yes, very. Let's try a different voice. Let's try a different accent. Perhaps something that sounds like me. Let's go for this one. Let's go for male. Let's go for Oliver.
This is some text that was typed, not recorded. What do you think of my voice? Good, huh?
Let's save that to media. I think when that is done we would need to drag it onto the timeline, but let's see what happens. So, I've waited a good 10 to 15 minutes and then the progress bar hasn't even left 0. We have to upgrade to obtain this functionality, so, let's do that. So, it wouldn't let me upgrade because I had connected with a personal Microsoft account whilst at the same time being, already, logged in, to a browser with my Microsoft work account. Because I am using the work account logins, currently, in other browser windows I can't log out. Which means I can't log into ClipChamp using any of my Microsoft accounts. I don't want to clear my browser caches at this time. So, I gave up trying to log in using my various Microsoft accounts and I am going to use my Google account. Come out of that. I am going to use Google instead. So, back in the desktop app. I am logged in with my Google account, not my Microsoft personal account. I am going to click Upgrade. This time it lets me enter my Microsoft personal account. So, after upgrading I am now able to use the text-to-speech functionality. I select an English-speaking voice with an Irish accent. So, here is the result. Let's hear it. Let's bring it into the timeline. And, then, press play. This is some text that was not created from a recording. It was created from text by the AI functionality in ClipChamp. Cool, huh? And there we have it. Play around with it yourselves. There are many accents you can select from. Hello. How are you? I am well, but what about you? What's the crack? I enjoy the pint. What about you? Do you enjoy the black stuff? I am from Dublin. It's a great place.
Check out my business website too.